Your furnace or air conditioner blower motor not starting usually means a component is failing or a control signal is missing. Start by testing the capacitor with a multimeter that has a capacitance function and replace it if the measured value is more than 10% off the printed rating, because a weak capacitor will spin the motor slowly or not at all. Next, listen and feel for bad bearings by turning the blower wheel by hand when power is off. Grinding or stiffness means bearing replacement or a new motor. Check the thermal overload or motor protector by allowing the motor to cool and then triggering the reset if present or testing continuity. Replace the overload device or the motor if it trips repeatedly. Inspect windings for opens or shorts by measuring resistance on each phase or between windings and ground, and replace the motor if readings are out of specification. For electronically commutated motors, examine the electronic control module for error codes and test for correct supply voltages and signal inputs, swapping with a known good module if diagnostics point there. Verify the control board and fan relay by measuring the 24-volt control output from the thermostat circuit and the relay coil voltage, and replace the relay or board if the relay does not actuate under command. Common mistakes include replacing the motor without confirming a failed capacitor first, so always test capacitance and connections before ordering a motor. People often overlook a clogged air filter or obstructed return, which starves the blower and can cause thermal shutdown. So remove and inspect the filter and feel airflow to ensure vents are open and ducts are not crushed. Technicians sometimes assume a no start is purely electrical and miss mechanical jams such as debris or a bent blower wheel, so spin the wheel by hand to verify free movement and clear any obstruction. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides project information tied to HVAC troubleshooting and repairs. We also host a community discussion area where users and pros share tips, ask questions, and report local contractor experiences.